Hello guys, welcome to agriculture tutorials. Today I am discussing about gene banks for various crops in India and international level, conserving the plant genetic resources for food security and sustainable agriculture. So we are having the different crops like 16 here, representing with through image and the institute that gene bank located and the location and the institute, the logo also. Please concentrate for the gene banks various crops where it is located. The wheat gene bank located at Karnal, Haryana, Directorate of Wheat Research. The rice is Central Rice Research Institute, Cuttack, Orissa. Central Potato Research Institute, Simla in Himachal Pradesh. In cotton sorry friends, Cotton Institute located at Nagpur, Maharashtra. Central Institute for Cotton Research. Sugarcane Breeding Institute, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Tobacco, Central Tobacco Research Institute, Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. Pulses, Kanpur. Forage crops, Jhansi. Plantation, Kasaragod, Kerala. Tuber crops, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Oilseed crops, DOR, Hyderabad. Andhra Pradesh in this Hyderabad came, but now updated state Hyderabad is belong to Telangana. Horticulture crops, IIHR Bangalore, Karnataka. Sorghum here also the previous data Hyderabad belongs to Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh now update yourself, Hyderabad belongs to Telangana. Groundnut, Junagadh, Gujarat. Soybean, Madhya Pradesh. Maize, Delhi. Rice is IRRI, Philippines, International Gene Bank for International Rice Research Institute, Philippines, Indonesia. Wheat and triticale barley, Mexico. Cimet, Mexico. Central Institute for Maize and Wheat and triticale and barley located in Mexico. Southern American continent, South America, Mexico. Beans and rice and maize international level, it is located at Colombia. Cassava, cowpea, soybean, lima bean, sweet potato, yam located at Nigeria, Africa. Potato, Peru, internationally Peru, South American, Peru country. So sorghum, pale millet and PGNP, chickpea and groundnut. International Gene Bank is located at India, Telangana, that is nothing but ICRISAT. International Crop Research for Semi-Arid Tropics located at Patancheru, Hyderabad. Durum wheat and barley and beans gene bank is located at Syria. Sugarcane gene bank is located at United States of Department of Agriculture, ARS Agriculture Research Station. Gene bank is located at Florida, United States of America. Sugarcane gene bank international level, Florida, USA. Wheat and barley, beans and the international level of gene bank for the beans and barley and wheat is located at Syria, Egypt. Sorghum, pale millet, PGNP, chickpea and groundnut is located at India, Hyderabad. Potato, international level located at Peru. Cassava, cowpea, soybean, lima bean, sweet potato, yam located at Nigeria, Africa. Beans, rice and maize is located at Colombia. Wheat, triticale and barley located at Mexico. International Rice Research Institute, Rice International Gene Bank is located at Philippines. Thank you friends, have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe to Agriculture Tutorials. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana.